Welcome back. We are discussing the importance of meeting that took place the other day between President Asif Ali Zardari and PMLN chief Mr. Nawaz Sharif. Now we are also joined by Iqbal Zafar Jhagra, who is the senior leader of Pakistan Muslim League Nawaz. Mr. Iqbal Zafar Jhagra, did this meeting achieve anything in your view?
Well, I would definitely say that it was a useful meeting when two mainstream political parties are meeting, and particularly the ruling party, the government, and the opposition party is meeting them. Naturally, all important issues, particularly the issue at this moment, which is of top priority, is the national security actually. So these were some of the fields which were definitely discussed, and including constitutional matters like the 17th Amendment and all. And
but it seems that you have no consensus in your own party. Khwaja Asif has said that the only good thing about the meeting was food, nothing else.
Well, I would differ slightly with Mr. Khwaja Asif. I think that we should not be making any such statement, because things were discussed. You can't deny that it was
Is
just...
it the policy of the PMLN that one leader talk about tough against the PPP, the other...
I won't say that, but everybody has his own style. He has a style, you know, and just to add some interest for the public, he must have made such a statement in a lighter mood, but I'm sure that he never meant what you are...
So in your view, the meeting was useful, but according to the perception or the reaction that so far we have, many people or commentators are saying that meeting did not achieve anything. And
well, you know, I would put it like this, that when I said it was useful, the people had a lot of expectations, and the general perception was that there will be some give and take and bargaining on the 17th Amendment and NRO and Carry-Lugar bill. But actually, we don't believe in any bargaining on issues. Everybody knows that PMLN has its own stand on issues, and
have the PPP offered you something when you say that?
Not at all, not at all.
Then why you are saying that it's not the question of give and take or bargain?
Yeah, because this is what the people were expecting actually, and the media had made a lot of hue and cry that this is going to happen. But actually,
so what exactly happened? Because this was the 11th meeting between the two leaders.
Well, the 11th meeting that you are pointing at, it was since the democratic process in the country was restored, and many things have passed through that. You know, there were different agreements. Some of the agreements, of course, which were made, were not fulfilled, and because of that, you know, this alliance broke, and
so in short,
we came out of
in
the
short, you are
government.
satisfied with the outcome of this meeting?
Well, in short, I must say that under the prevailing conditions, the prevailing in the country, particularly from national security point of view, and some of the most important constitutional matters which are in the COD, and we stressed on that we should implement the COD in letter and spirit. And the opening para, of course, is the 17th Amendment, which clearly lays down as to
so
what
you are
is to be done
satisfied with the outcome of the meeting. How would you respond to that, Mr. Sheikh Rashid Ahmed? Because both parties also agreed, particularly the PMLN has said that they will not become part of any conspiracy or any game plan that will destabilize the current democratic process. Do you think that this is a good step or good announcement as part of the PMLN?
I'm glad at least both the parties are satisfied and they are happy, and such a successful meeting. And I don't know what outcome comes, and even the nation and the people to whom you have given such a hype. And if nothing is coming out and things are as it is, as it was, the same old story of the joint statement with the mostly same sentences, I'm glad if the both parties are happy. Nation want to see this.
But are you satisfied also with
I
the
don't
outcome
see,
of this meeting?
I have respect for my friends, but I don't see in this meeting there is something very new. And under circumstances when the Americans Kerry and the Holbrooke left and the Hillary is coming, soon, within 1, 2, 3 days. And such meeting, if the both parties are satisfied and they are happy, and the 17th amendment before this meeting was going in that committee.
So there must be some kind of understanding between the two parties.
They can better.
Even on NRO.
The thing is that you, I made a statement which I am going to make again because Jhagra Sahab came after that. I said that I differ what you were referring to Khwaja Asif, because I had seen them with my own eyes when Iqbal Zafar Jhagra Sahab and Raja Zafarul Haq Sahab were conducting the press conference, and he was sitting on his side, and Mamnoon Hussain Sahab, Javed Hashmi Sahab, and a couple of other very senior PMLN leaders, Ishaq Dar Sahab, when they were there, and they were having that press conference about that meeting. I don't know why we need to tell the nation that there was no breakthrough, why we need to tell the nation that there is no hope for the future. I don't know we are serving whose agenda. The thing is, let me tell you, as Jhagra Sahab has very rightly said, that there is the biggest issue now we are facing is the security concern. What is happening around us, what is happening close to the borders, what is happening, if the two senior leaders, they meet, it's a normal democratic process, and I believe that there will be meetings again. And now you meet and you bring issues
in recent weeks,
and then you solve it. As I have stated, let me finish, as I have stated, that this was not a meeting between the two chief executives of the two business companies, this was a meeting of the popular leadership and the President of Pakistan.
But in recent weeks, we also heard that this system is some kind of facing threat, and that's why PMLN and Mr. Nawaz Sharif also said that they will not become part of any such plan that destabilizes the current democratic forces. First of all, why can't the People's Party tell the public that where are you facing this threat?
We have not stated that we are facing any threat. The thing is that we all have to work together, and if you look at the COD in its true letter and spirit, you will see that this was stated, this was written and signed by everybody, that if PPP is in the chair, obviously PMLN are not going to go with any anti-democratic forces and vis-a-vis. If they are in chair, we are not going to do that. But we all have to work for the betterment of the democracy. So the democracy must prevail in this country if you want prosperity. If you want that the future of your children should be bright, then you must work for the democracy, not against it.
Okay, we have to go for another break here. After the break, of course, our discussion will continue. Stay with us.